Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the centered double crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. So you can already tell if you've seen any of my other videos that this video is starting a little differently. And that is because the centered double crochet stitch is very similar to a regular double crochet stitch. It's just about where you place it in another stitch. So it's not a standalone stitch starting out my swatch. And what I mean by that is I started my swatch, I made chains, and then I made regular double crochet stitches into the first row. I've made 2 chains and then I'm ready to make my centered double crochet stitches because the centered double crochet stitches are about where you place them in previous stitches. So I couldn't make them in chains down here. I have to make them in these previous stitches here. So like I said, I have 2 chains on my hook. I'm ready to make my first centered double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over like you normally would with a double crochet. Instead of inserting your hook right here like you normally would on a stitch, you're actually going to go right here under this little loop and through this same spot right here. So not right here where you normally would. You're going to go right under this little loop right here. Just like that. Grab that yarn, pull it through. Then yarn over, take through 2, yarn over, take through 2 like a normal double crochet. So really the only difference is you're going to be placing it under this little loop of every stitch across instead of just here like you normally would. So again, I'm going to make my double crochet underneath this little loop of the next stitch. So right there, like I normally would. And then again, you're going to go under this little loop of the next stitch. Same thing, you can see this is regularly where you would work into the stitch. You're actually going to go under this loop right here. Again, right under this little loop right here on the next one. So you can see how things are looking. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to make my centered double crochet stitches using this little loop on each stitch. And that's how this row of centered double crochet stitches is looking. And that is going to be how to make the centered double crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.